Design pattern, abstract factory, design pattern. What is abstract factory design pattern? Abstract factory design pattern is a creation or design pattern. The abstract factory pattern provides a way to create families of related objects that work together without knowing their concrete implementation or a concrete class. This means that we can create different families of objects that work well together without knowing the details of how they are made. You can create an abstract factory using an interface or an abstract class that will have a common methods that all the objects will have. And you can create an abstract factory using an interface or an abstract class that will have all the common methods which the objects will have. And we need to have an concrete classes that implement these interface or abstract class for each type of object. So when the situation where we use abstract factory is when we want to create a related object that works together and we want to be able to switch between different sets of objects without changing our code. Imagine that you are a toy maker and you want to make a lot of different kinds of toys. Let's say you have a line of toy blocks that comes in different colors and shapes, and you want to make sure all these blocks that you make are made with the same high quality standards, but you want to also make sure that they all match and look together. To achieve this, you want to go with the abstract factory pattern. You create a factory that knows how to create different types of toy blocks, and you use this factory to create all the blocks that you make. So to achieve this, you decided to go with abstract factory pattern. You create a factory that knows how to create different types of toy blocks, and you use this factory to create all of the blocks that you make. And this way you are making sure that all the blocks are made to the same high quality standards, that they all match and look good together. Let's talk about this example. Imagine you want to build a cars and race track. So you need some cars and some road pieces to create tracks, right? And each car has unique design and each road piece is made of a different way. To make sure everything fit together, you need to choose a right combination of cars and road pieces. So here comes an abstract factory pattern. This factory pattern works similar way. Basically, it provides an interface that you can use to create families of related objects like cars and road pieces for your track. So you can have a factory that creates cars with wheels and a body, and the other factory that creates road pieces with different shapes and sizes. So here is an example code where we have abstract factory interface, ITOA factory with two abstract methods that create related object. One is create car and create road piece. The red toy factory and blue toy factory classes implements interface to create families of red and blue cars. It's here red car, blue car, and straight and curved road pieces. Straight road piece and curved road piece. So these are the two concrete classes and then abstract interface. Now we have two abstract products. One is iCar and one is iRoad piece. These two defines the method that concrete product should implement. The red car and the blue car implements iCar, and the straight road piece and the curved road piece implement iRoad piece respectively. So to use this abstract factory pattern, this code creates an instance of red toy factory and calls it create car and create road piece. The create car creates red car and the create road piece create straight road piece. So I can create an instance of blue toy factory as well and call the same methods create car and create road piece creates a blue car and curved road piece. So I can have yellow car, gray car, whichever car you want, and keep on adding concrete factory. And you can have a blue car abstract product here, and if you want to draw some different road piece, and you can add it, or you can use the existing one. Advantages of using abstract factory pattern: it allows us to create a families of related objects without tight coupling, encapsulates the object creating the process, This makes it easier to swap out entire families of objects without affecting the rest of the code, and promotes consistency among related objects by ensuring that they are created with the same underlying object.